Hey everybody, it's Tom from Show Me Coasters, and today we wanted to do a video for a construction update for Maxx Force at Six Flags Great America. We visited this past weekend for Memorial Day, and I was really bummed that they didn't have it open by now.
Look at the new ride, Maxx Force.
Welcome to SkyTrek Tower, the tallest freestanding structure in all of Lake County. 50% off almost everything. Plus, you can join Six Flags membership rewards where you can get free food, souvenirs, tickets, and more. Your membership is good for 12 months from now.
Yeah.
When we come back at 4th of July, it might be open, hopefully.
And inside the shed, what's in the shed? The train for Maxx Force. But yeah, they've got a lot of it done. I mean, the ride structure itself is all in place. The last piece of track was laid like a week and a half ago. But yeah, they still got a lot of work to do on the queue area and the theming and the station. So hopefully, maybe by next month it'll be open. So here's the overbanking loop on the new ride, Maxx Force.
Just can't wait until they start running it so we can stand right here and watch it.
Yeah, really. Hopefully we'll be able to see it.
Oh, we will.
So thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Again, this is Tom from Show Me Coasters. Have a great day.